Hey guys, I got an old piece of flat bar here and I'm going to try to make a spoon out of it. Okay, I'm going to make that my spoon head right about there. Again, this is a present for my daughter, so she wanted me to make her a spoon, and I'm making her one just to kind of knock the even it up a little bit, you know, make it look a little symmetrical as I could. Now I just got to go in and polish this the spoon face up, and then I can put some stuff on the handle back here to kind of darken it up. We'll go ahead and put some of this linseed oil on there. I heated it up just a little bit so this oil will soak in real good.